What do you do when you have a mountain of laundry in a Class B RV? A camper van. Laundry day is a big deal, and it feels good to get it done. Today, I'm going to share with you on how to do laundry better, faster, easier in a Class B RV. Let's go. Really appreciate that. My name is Scott. I'm your host. Welcome to Go Small, Live Large. We are a YouTube channel and a growing community dedicated to the RV lifestyle, the Class B camper van life, if you will, lifestyle in particular. And what we do here is we learn, we share collectively about the places we go, the people we meet, and the RV lifestyle in general. And then you decide what's best for you. Today we're doing laundry. It's been a learning iterative process for me. Today I'm going to share with you laundry. Let's get into it right now. Step number one is the laundry bag. So what I do is I store my laundry bag in the overhead cabinet above the bed. And what I've done is I've gone, this is from the dry cleaner in Old Home Base, Chicago. They provide a lot of customers with laundry bags. And I just stuff it in here. It's nylon. I actually wash this with the dirty laundry. And this fits in really nice, whoa, sorry guys. That fits in really nicely into this cubby right here, right next to the pet food. And the reason I do that is when I know that there is laundry day, because this bag is nearly full. So tip number one is to get yourself a good laundry bag that's tough, that you can wash. This is again nylon, and it's really, really sturdy. Today I'm also doing the bedding. From the bed. So I have two loads. So this essentially is one load here, and this is another load here. Okay, so the next step is I have my iPad here on the table. Next step is to find a laundromat near me. So I literally use Apple Maps in my case, and I just type in laundry mats. You see that right there, right? And what's going to do is going to find some laundromats near me. I'm not overly choosy. What I found on laundromats is that there's not really a chain nationwide. They're either mom and pop or they're kind of high tech. This one is open now, laundry time, 6 miles away. So let's type that one in here. So what I like to do is maybe just kind of scan this real quick, check the website if they have one. And here they are right here. So what I'm looking for is self-serve, open 24 hours. That's awesome. So they're going to be fully self-contained, meaning coins and maybe even credit cards used. So that's great. They're open now as even for full service at 8 a.m. on a Sunday morning. So that's good. I'm really happy with that. And they are just a few minutes away. So let's hit the road and go check out laundry time. Entered the car park for your destination. Okay, so we've arrived at laundry time, and what I'm going to do is going to bring this bag in first, just because you're coming with me and I only have 2 arms. What I like to do is, and I'll show you this in size, I like to keep my soap and my coins at the bottom of a bag in the soap bag. So I'll show that to you inside. Let's go ahead and get things rolling. It's always a good sign when you see the Wi-Fi available. Not sure it's any good. Nice and clean. So it's having some audio challenges there, folks. So I'm doing a little voiceover here. So what I'm telling you here is this is RV lifestyle. This is not a fashion show. So I do not separate clothes. This is part of the pro tip, is to reset expectations. Now I suppose you can have, you know, a white washer and a dark clothes washer and a towels washer, but I find that efficiency and speed's the key here, and part of that is getting pods. So I use Tide pods. Use your favorite one. A lot of pods out there. I'm actually keep my coins inside the same bag, so that they're all in one little pouch, if you will, and that goes into my laundry bag. But the key here is find out what works for you. Again, I'm not on a fashion show here, so everything seems to work just fine from a color fastness standpoint. And showing you here that you want to be sure and put the pod in the washer drum itself, not into the soap dispenser. So 19 times 25 cents is just under $5, so that's pretty good to get everything done in one shot. What do you think? Getting something out of this, sure to appreciate a thumb up. That helps others. Finding the channel helps me know you like this and lets YouTube know you like this. So give it a thumb up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. So I've jumped back in the rig. I want to see if the Wi-Fi works from out here, from pulling from the signal inside. So let me show you this. So they show up right away here as a laundry time guest. So I simply tapped that. I confirmed I wanted to be part of the network. So I'm on that network now. You can tell by the check mark there, right? So what I want to do is test the speed. This is a speed test app. That's literally the name of it here. And you'll want to get this. And this is a critical tool for RVers. I have been starving for good internet for literally a week now. And the irony of the whole thing, the best internet I found is from our friends at Laundry Time. That's right. But look at this, up and down. This is really pretty good. My campground, Verizon does not work. AT&T does not work. Their Wi-Fi sort of worked until the weekend, and now it's useless. So this is really, really good. The tip being that when you see Wi-Fi, and if you are in a state of need for Wi-Fi, use that app to check the speed and then lock in those resources. What I'm going to do is fire up all my gear, point to their Wi-Fi so that thing can update. All right, let's go check on the washer. I'm sure it's done by now. Yeah, I made some money. In case your computer ever gets wet, here's a computer dryer. Okay, so another pro tip is to get the coins. The clothes are dry, so I'm going to put them into the purple bag and back to the rig we go. Oh, well, hello, Luke. You're in my spot, Luke. Maybe Luke wants to fold the laundry. What do you think? All right, so that's just about a wrap on laundry day. 2 more points is, number one, you don't, what I've learned from the Russos actually, is you don't fold clothes, you roll clothes. So in my case, I actually do this. I roll jeans, I roll t-shirts, and I roll the shorts. And that's the pro tip. You roll your clothes. I actually did a video on this. I'll link it here. And it really saves a significant amount of space. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pair of jeans, far too many. I've got a bunch of shorts that are actually in the laundry bag. So I have way too many clothes, but nonetheless, the tip here is to roll your clothes, not fold them. And in my case, I use my wardrobe for hanging clothes. A lot of Travato owners convert this to pantry space. For me, at least, it's much more efficient to have clothing in here than food, just, weeks and weeks worth of food. I choose to do it this way. Okay, and my last tip for you, we've given you a lot of tips here, so if you're getting anything out of this, I sure would appreciate a thumb up there. And my last tip for you is on rugs. Let me show you this. So this is a kitchen rug from Walmart, our good friends at Walmart, washable. This too is almost like an outdoor rug, washable. Even the Travato rug that comes in your Travato is washable. Here's the tip for those. The tip on washing those rugs is to use a drum style like you just saw in the laundromat for both of those rugs, both of those styles of rugs. Certainly the kitchen and entry and the Travato rug, you're going to need a good sized washer. You do not want to use the agitator kind. You want to use the drum style. And I've washed mine a few times now. It's holding up really well, and it's really nice to get all the dirt and grit and grime out of that. I kind of hide the fact that I'm bringing rugs into a laundromat because a lot of times they don't want those things in there. But how else do you get your stuff clean? I don't know. If you got a tip there, I'd like to know that. So what kind of pro tips do you have? I've been full-time in this rig since February 2019, and I know some of you have been doing this a lot longer than I have. So what pro tips do you have for the RV newbies? Again, the thing here is just to reset expectations, be fast, efficient. It's not a fashion show, and just get the job done so you can get back to doing what you are RVing for, which is to explore and learn. Thanks again. We'll see you later.